In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Snowflake warehouse. If you're new to Snowflake or just looking to brush up on your skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step in a clear and concise manner. To kick things off, when you create a warehouse in Snowflake, you'll be using the Create Warehouse statement. This is a crucial command that allows you to set up the key parameters for your warehouse. Understanding these settings is essential because they determine how your warehouse will perform, and ultimately, how efficiently you'll manage your data operations. First, you will need to use the Create Warehouse command, followed by a unique name for your warehouse. This name serves as an identifier, so make sure it's descriptive and relevant to its intended use. It's a good practice to choose a name that's easy to remember and reflects the warehouse's role within your data ecosystem. Next, you will define various properties of the warehouse, starting with the warehouse size. In Snowflake, the size can vary from X small to 6X large. The decision here depends on the level of computational resources you anticipate needing. If you're just getting started or running smaller queries, an X small or small size might suffice. However, for more demanding workloads, you might consider scaling up. Remember, you can always adjust the warehouse size later, so don't worry too much if you're unsure about the right choice up front. Following that, the Auto Suspend feature must be configured in seconds. This handy setting helps control costs by automatically suspending the warehouse after a period of inactivity. You can set this to any number of seconds based on your requirements. For example, if you set it to 300, the warehouse will suspend after 5 minutes of no activity. There's also the option to enable Auto Resume, which is an efficient way to manage resources. By setting this to true, the warehouse will resume automatically when a query is issued, ensuring smooth operations without manual intervention. If you prefer to manage these states manually or through other scripts, you might want to set this to false. Lastly, it's helpful to include a comment for your warehouse. This brief description can be invaluable when managing multiple warehouses within a complex network. It provides context regarding the warehouse's purpose, its configurations, or any other relevant details you might find useful later on. Once you've defined these settings, your final statement will take shape, reflecting the particular configuration you've chosen. Just execute your SQL command within the Snowflake console, and your warehouse will be created. That's all there is to it. By following these instructions, you've successfully created a Snowflake warehouse. Now you're ready to proceed with handling your data with greater precision and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.